In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a newsletter to your WordPress website using Elementor. This is a fantastic way to keep your audience engaged and updated with your latest content, products, or services by having them directly subscribe to your newsletters. Whether you're running a blog, an online store, or a professional site, this is a feature that can really enhance your communication strategy. So, let's dive right in and get started on this simple process. First things first, you need to go over to your email marketing platform of choice. For this example, we'll assume you are using a popular service like MailChimp. In your MailChimp account or any other email service platform you might be using, look for the option to generate an embed form code. Usually, this can be found under the Forms and Sign-up options in your account. The goal here is to create a form your visitors can use to sign up for your newsletter directly from your website. Once you've located the option, you need to generate the embed form code. This process can vary slightly from one email platform to another, but the general idea is the same. You'll select the fields you want your visitors to fill out, like their name and email address, and any other custom fields you might need. After customizing the form to suit your needs, generate the HTML code. This code is typically a snippet that includes all the essential elements for your form and looks pretty similar across most platforms. It's essentially a block of text starting and ending with the form tag. Now that you have your form's HTML code, the next step is to integrate it into your WordPress site using the Elementor page builder. Go into your WordPress dashboard and open the page where you'd like to add the newsletter sign-up form. This could be a sidebar widget, a footer, or a dedicated subscription page, anywhere that makes sense for your website's layout and navigational flow. In Elementor's editor, look for the HTML widget. You can usually find this by searching in the Elementor panel. Drag and drop this widget onto the area of the page where you want your newsletter form to appear. Once you're positioned the HTML widget, it's time to paste the form's HTML code you copied earlier into the widget's text box. Be sure to double-check that you copied everything correctly and that nothing is missing from the form snippet, as a missing tag could affect your form's functionality. After pasting the code, save your changes within Elementor. If you want to adjust the appearance of your form to better match your site's design, you can do so using CSS for custom styling. This is optional, but highly recommended if you want the form to integrate seamlessly into your website's aesthetic. If you're comfortable with CSS, you can add your custom styles directly within Elementor or via your site's CSS editor. Rework any margins, borders, fonts, and colors to ensure consistency with the rest of your website. And that's it. You've seamlessly added a newsletter sign-up form to your WordPress site using Elementor. This small addition can have a big impact on your ability to maintain a strong, ongoing connection with your audience. Enjoy watching your subscriber list grow.